13-year-old girl leads police on deadly chase.
In Grand Rapids, Minnesota, dispatch received a 911 call from a 13-year-old girl who advised she was unsure how or why she got to her location and didn't know who she was with. Deputies quickly discovered the girl was recently placed at the residence under foster care and cleared the scene. However, roughly 5 hours later at 12:40 in the morning, a foster parent
13 years old, and then you just have no clue where you're at or who you're with at all. Like, that'd be absolutely terrifying. And that'd be a new deep level of fear that you just unlocked. Like, that's fucking awful.
called to report the
right
same
there.
13-year-old girl ran away from the residence. Itasca County Sheriff's Office deputies arrived 15 minutes later, where they searched for the missing girl for over 30 minutes before one deputy observed a vehicle less than half a mile away, driving with just their daytime running lights. Suspecting them to be an unrelated drunk driver, they initiated a traffic stop.
No way. How? 45 minutes later?
Some disoriented vehicle still not stopping.
You just...
Station. Vehicle is failing to stop commercial lights and silence. Mechanics making.
We're in pursuit. It's going to take a minute.
Where does that vehicle come back to?
Goes back to 2003 red Honda Odyssey versus to
Bro, that's so ballsy to just blatantly do the wrong thing in front of a cop. And he's actively trying to pull you over. I could never be on the police chase. Nope. No,
742 station coming up Highway 6.
that little thing pushing.
I'll miss my sticks. My task is in a pursuit. I just tried throwing sticks. It was a fail. Possible juvenile driver. I'm not going to be involved here.
742 26.
Juvenile driver?
A bit if possible.
This is like a kid.
Yeah, you're certified. Good.
10-4.
There we go. He stopped. No, he's not. No, you're gonna have to pit him.
Turn right on Highway 6.
10-4 turning northbound on Highway 6.
He's gotta be drunk though. I mean, wouldn't you want to at least...
42 station vehicle is grabbing the oncoming traffic lane.
Whoa, buddy. He's losing
10-4
control.
oncoming traffic lanes at 131.
Very reckless driving.
Yeah, incredible.
90 plus miles an hour. 10-4 plus 90 miles an hour. We are passing with L type 1.
Damn, bro, 90 over. You're going to jail for sure.
Still no headlights on the vehicle.
And running, and whatever else you got going on. Heavy metal while in pursuit.
No traffic out here yet.
Lock him in.
742 station, 1050.
What happened?
1050, you're plotting at County Road 11 and Highway 6.
He just drove off the road. Oh yeah, he did. Holy fuck. Oh, damn, bro.
10-4, we'll get medical rolling.
Ooh, is she in there? Oh my god, this is the 13-year-old? I thought they like got kidnapped or some shit. Oh my fucking god. What? What? What did she play GTA her whole life? What the fuck?
Sheriff's office! Sheriff's office, are you okay?
What?
They're in the bottom here, we gotta get this open.
Station, he's unconscious.
You wanna get your Halligan? We gotta get this open. You need a Halligan. You have a Halligan tool? I got one in the back of mine, watch her.
Yo, that's crazy. How do you fix somebody that does that at that
Sounds like
age?
the male party is unconscious, not to be moving inside the vehicle.
Damn, they're gonna be messed up like medically. I feel like when you're that young, your bones aren't that strong yet. And that's a bad accident. That's a bad.
We're gonna want fire, I think. 742 station, when you start fire, we're gonna need education.
Is she leaking? No one said anything.
Vehicle
Yeah.
rolled. I'll be out with the deputy, sir. Yep.
Oh, God. Doesn't look like there's any breathing.
Damn, bro. Yeah, that's a bad fucking accident for a 13-year-old when they're alone.
What you need?
Step on it.
Step on you.
Good. You got it? I got it.
She okay?
Somebody go get an AED, get medical gear. We'll get out here and start working. What do you got, Cole?
AV.
Yeah.
Okay, so they got her out.
Station or just north of that. Come up there.
Okay.
Can't see anything because it's all blurred. I think they're doing CPR and stuff.
Oh, let that go, Dusty. What's that? Oh, I won't.
He said let that go. Or don't let that. Oh, they're just still trying to get inside.
I don't think so.
Adult mode.
Get it hooked up.
Remove all clothing from patient's chest.
Female's gasping breaths.
Okay.
She's in the recovery position right now. We're working on hooking up the AED. This is going to be the juvenile.
Pull red handle to reveal pads. Look
You're gonna
at
defib
pictures
her
on
while
pads.
she's breathing?
Do we have anything for an airway?
Apply pads to bare skin, exactly as shown in the pictures. Press pads
Dude, how do you do that for...
Just one, it's going to be a juvenile female.
Anybody got any more gloves?
Pull red handle to reveal. Do not
Because it's got to be
touch
right on your
patient.
heart, right? I think. Like up on your
Analyzing
chest.
heart rhythm. No shock advised. Provide chest compressions to
Oh,
repeat.
okay. Oh, do they actually take like instructions from like a robot while this is happening? Like really? I thought they would just know what to do.
Well, how positive are we? But there was no passenger. I just want to. I didn't see a passenger, but it was hard to see in there. Just in case somebody got injected.
There's somebody want to keep looking just to make sure that there was
Dude, that's a good dude. I mean, you don't know for sure, so you probably should
no
check.
passenger, and check the seatbelt if it was probably not even worn. Might be
Yeah.
When she came at me, I didn't see a passenger. Cool.
Dude, that's the danger of that too. Then they start saying like stuff gets leaked, and then they start saying there was a passenger in there too, and then people freak out, and then they narrow down that there wasn't a passenger, but everyone's still stuck on the idea that there was. Like that's what happens. Like with the shootings a lot too. Like it's sad.
Swerving back and forth the whole time. That's why I said it's starting to get dangerous. I started to think about shutting down when crashed.
Oh.
She hit the ditch over here and
She went quite a ways.
yeah.
Yeah, dude, that thing probably rolled so many times. There was no way a 13-year-old was gonna make it. Oh, I think I just passed it.
Need a brake dust? Hang in there, dear.
Is she gone and y'all don't want to stop trying yet? Or what?
Push down hard, at least 2 inches.
Oh, there's been like no progress.
this whole thing up there.
Remember,
No way she dies.
All right, buddy. Get acid up here. They're going to have the medical.
You mean
Let's see.
I mean, they got to her pretty quickly. Well, no, they didn't. Well, for what the situation is, I feel like they got
There's
to
an
her
airway
pretty
in here. You know how to put it in.
I'm going to try to get Wyatt out of there, too. Yeah.
straight.
quick. Yeah, dude, this would be the worst fucking job ever. Like, you having to be in this, like, traumatic state, like, all day. Like, that's just your job. And you're going to go from here to another one, to another one, to another one, like, all day, all night. Because they do overtime all the time.
Been bleeding heavily.
From the mouth?
It looks like
13, 15. Hard, at least 2 inches.
Anybody got a light?
Damn, dude, they focus on this for a while. There's no way she...
We gotta get. Okay, there we go.
Let me see what he...
209.
The driver, Angelica Bells Renee Bryan, a 13-year-old Native American.
Yo, that's fucking crazy. Like, how do you even know how can you even operate a car for one thing, but then have the, like, mindset to go 100, just driving out nowhere, you know?
American girl died from her injuries. The officers
What
involved,
were you
who had received a
thinking?
report of a runaway child less than an hour earlier, will be investigated by the Bureau of Criminal Apprehension to determine whether criminal charges are warranted. Bells' mother later told news sources she believed Bells ran from foster care and evaded police while trying to return home to Cass Lake. Investigators later found that Bells stole a neighbor's car after entering their unlocked, unoccupied home to take the keys. Although the vehicle's registered address was over 10 miles away, the operator left it at the house neighboring the foster home that night. While the vehicle was registered to an older male, it was primarily driven by their teenage stepson, which is why high school football equipment was found on scene. Police reports say a deputy's body camera captured the vehicle in the driveway at 1:14 a.m. while searching for Bells following the runaway report. This was just 15 minutes before the pursuit began. Bells' older sister told news outlets she likely wasn't familiar with the difference between running lights and headlights. She stated, "I can't even imagine what she was feeling at the time. For her to feel the need to steal a car."
There's people genuinely that are like 30, 35 that are, I'd be driving around, you know, obviously for everything, everybody to be driving. So there's people way older than me that don't even know how to turn those things on. Like, I swear, they don't even know that's like an option.
She shouldn't have been able to run away. She's obviously very traumatized. The reasons for her removal from her parents' care have not been made public, though some reports say she was previously found with peers driving a stolen vehicle, suggesting a troubled history. Regarding officer conduct, the Itasca County pursuit policy acknowledges the dangers pursuits pose to the public, officers, and suspects. It states deputies must balance their duty to apprehend with public safety, using common sense and sound judgment, noting that immediate apprehension is generally less important than public safety. The policy also states that
it was pretty obvious that they weren't trying to like run her off the road, especially once they identified that it was like a child.
Deputies who choose not to initiate a pursuit, even when circumstances permit one, will not face discipline, acknowledging that pursuits can be unpredictable.
Yo, you could decline pursuing a car as a cop? I didn't know that. Only the brave few are the ones that are actually chasing them. I did not know that.
The policy discourages extended pursuits for non-violent misdemeanors. Lastly, there was a runaway report of a 13-year-old girl. However, they also stated they did not believe the vehicle was related, as the registration check came up with an...
No, that makes sense. I mean, 45 minutes later, you see a car driving all weird, and I wouldn't have thought that that was related either. So, pretty fair. Anyway, I think that kind of wraps that one. But man, that might be the craziest body cam I've seen. Like, a 13-year-old flipping the car? What? Never seen like video of that shit. Wow. Okay. Well, yeah, that's that one.